Good morning, everyone. Welcome to session 2 of module 1. In this session, we'll be dealing with urbanization, causes of the urbanization, needs of urbanization, then multiple choices questions and references. So, what is urbanization? So, the population due to for employment purpose or education purpose or some other purpose move from rural to urban areas, that is from cities and towns to cities and towns. So due to this movement of population, hardship may be there and change in their lifestyle. Then development of land use and commercial properties may increase. The residential properties may increase. Transportation, mainly for motor vehicles, may increase. It may be uncomfort for the passenger, pleasure, and for convenience. The motor vehicle may increase. Then, due to increase of motor vehicles, there may be congestion and lack of safety. So, what are the causes of urbanization? It may be for industrialization, commercialization, social benefits, employment opportunities. Okay. Then industrialization. So people from rural to urban areas mainly come for employment purpose. For employment purpose, there may be for industries or some government sectors. Due to this, change in the agriculture economics will be there, and due to the movement of population, modern sectors may be opened. Next is commercialization. In commercialization, mainly distribution and exchange of goods and services takes place. Then coming to social benefits and services for better educational facilities, living standards, housing, health and recreational facilities. For these facilities, people travel from rural to urban areas. The next is employment opportunities. For better livelihood, people travel. The next is modernization and changes in mode of living. Coming to change, there may be change in their habits, lifestyle, better housing facilities, and in some cases, resource exploitation may be there. So, what are the effects of urbanization? Coming to effects, there may be positive effects and also negative effects. Coming to positive effects, it creates mainly employment opportunities, infrastructure development will be there, improved transportation and communication, then quality of education may improve, medical facilities may be there, improved standards of living. Then coming to negative facilities, there may be housing problem due to urbanization as people move to cities. Then insufficient housing and public utilities may be there. The people may be in the poverty line and unemployment opportunities may be there. Then due to urbanization, there may be overcrowding, and because of overcrowding, congestion in urban areas will be there, overpopulation, increase in movement of immigrants to cities, development of slums, unemployment, water and sanitation problems, poor health and spread of diseases, traffic congestion, environmental pollution. In environmental, you have air pollution and vehicle emission. So these are some of the negative effects of urbanization. Coming to urban area, in there are statutory towns and census towns. So statutory towns are towns which have municipality or corporation and cantonment boards. Next, you have census towns. So these census towns are mainly divided depending upon the population of the particular area. So that is population not less than 5,000. Then you have non-agriculture workers not less than 75% of the total workers. Then population density not less than 400 per square kilometer. So the towns with population of 0.1 million and above are termed as cities. So next, depending upon the population, you can classify into different classes. So class 1 to class 6 you have. Then, depending upon the urban land use, it may be classified as residential area, commercial area, that is nothing but shopping centers, industrial areas, institutional areas, it may be educational institutions or government institutions. Then recreational areas you have, then agriculture areas. So what are the transport problems? So there may be road congestion, there may be parking problems, air pollution, and deteriorating of road safety. So next we'll move on to multiple choice questions. So urbanization leads to growth in population, human activity, and area of the city. So answer is all of the above. So what is the main cause of accident in urban areas? Answer is A, that is improper planning. So next question is urban transportation is the process that leads to decision on transportation policies and programs. Answer is B, that is planning. So next question, which of the following is not a reason behind the growth of cities? Answer is hygienic outlook of people. Okay. So these are some of the references. Okay.